Welcome to Hypercar Global, the channel where we take a look at electric vehicles, Tesla and of course Elon Musk. Today we take a look at Tesla's Backlash in Germany and how they want to open Tesla's superchargers to all electric vehicles. Without any hesitation, let's get into the video. Tesla GIGA Berlin to face more environment groups challenges. Ever since the factory's initial steps started, the Tesla GIGA Berlin has been facing issues with environmental groups. And the Tesla team in Germany has been explaining itself and making things clear with their new initiations. First, it was when they had to specifically mention that the team will make sure to plant the same number of trees again, as many as they cut down. Then they had to make sure the locals know that the company is environmentally friendly. And that they are as sustainable as the local area is. Additionally, they also announced a recent dry electrode coating for battery cells. So the factory wouldn't consume more water than anticipated. Despite consistent efforts, the team still is facing challenges to have a better representation with local communities. The challenge. It is considered more like a challenge than a hurdle because, despite all the claims, the factory did everything by the rules. And the claims sent by the environmental groups are not fully true. As ironic as the situation sounds, the environmental groups claim that the Tesla GIGA factory would emit poisonous gases. Being a sustainable company, that kind of statement is nowhere close to reality. Tesla already is manufacturing cars in other countries. So it could prove that they indeed wouldn't harm the environment. Some say that the groups are harassing the Tesla team, and others claim that it would delay the processes for Tesla. However, it is about representing the local community. The place was untouched since World War II. And the local community dates back to the good old days when factories were known to harm the environment. This is in fact true to date, but not with the Tesla factory. Sustainable company. Everything from buying conflict-free material to recycling batteries. Tesla makes sure to be as sustainable as possible. Even the leather material on the seats is an animal-free product despite being an SUV. The environmental group's objection is based on the claim that Tesla has not sufficiently clarified what precautions it will take to prevent highly poisonous gas from escaping from the factory, the objection document showed. While they do claim that, with every claim, it ends with, suspend your permit. This is not acceptable because having a Tesla factory in the area would actually benefit them too. No matter how many ways the Tesla team tries, the environmental groups still come forward with other excuses. Clearly, the representation of being a sustainable company is lost somewhere. It is possible that the company needs to make innovative initiations to have better representations in the country. As GIGA Berlin would be the core of European sales. It is highly important that such issues are addressed. Last time the China's protest became a worldwide interest. And GIGA Berlin seems to be getting similar negative attention. Tesla urged by German minister to unlock supercharging for all EVs. Tesla is being urged by German Federal Minister of Transport Andreas Scheuer to unlock the company's superchargers for all electric vehicles, regardless of manufacturer. The move would give every EV on the road access to the broadest, well-rounded, and most efficient EV charging network in the world. Tesla's supercharging network is among the most robust and complete in the world. With over 25,000 global superchargers that give charging speeds as fast as 250 kilowatts to Tesla's industry-leading EVs, the company has established itself as the most well-rounded in terms of the product and the charging mechanisms that it provides. The superchargers are only compatible with Tesla vehicles currently, basically giving owners an extra incentive to buy one of the company's vehicles instead of a competitor. When buying a Tesla, you won't only get the best car in terms of performance, range, and efficiency, but you will also have access to the widest selection of superchargers in the world. However, some are critical of the idea that Tesla keeps these chargers exclusive to their owners. While it gives Tesla a competitive advantage over other EV manufacturers, it limits the options for other cars. Some see it as a financial disadvantage for Tesla as it could make the company more money when vehicles made by other OEMs choose to get more range at a Tesla supercharger. Scheuer, who has held the office of Federal Minister of Transport since 2018, said that he believes the company should open up its superchargers to other cars, a move that could accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles everywhere. In a recent interview with German media outlet Neue Osnabrücker Zeitung, Scheuer said, "I am in direct contact with manufacturers like Tesla to ensure that the existing infrastructure, for example, Tesla's supercharger, is also open for other manufacturers." Scheuer said there are still technical concerns that need to be answered, such as how the drivers will pay for the system. He suggested a uniform smartphone application that will work universally with EV chargers from all manufacturers. Whichever way it works out, he said he expects a solution to be found. The electric vehicle industry has come a long way in the past several years, according to Scheuer. When discussing the overall e-mobility package, including the vehicle, the charging infrastructure, the network, and users, he said that it has become better over the past few years. Scheuer added, "There is still a long way to go so that not every electric car trip becomes an adventure, but a new normal. That is the goal. And we're getting closer to that with great strides." Tesla CEO Elon Musk has talked about opening up universal usage of Tesla superchargers on several occasions in the past. Some electric cars were already using Tesla superchargers in September 2020, but a bug was the reason for the loophole, and Tesla quickly fixed it. Elon Musk ponders Tesla making a home HVAC, may even advertise car air purification system. Elon Musk is still considering Tesla getting into the home HVAC business to leverage the work it has done on the HVAC system in its vehicles, which Musk is so proud of that he considers breaking his no advertising rule. Tesla has been putting a lot of effort to improve the air quality inside its electric cars, and it went as far as integrating a HEPA filter into its HVAC system inside some of its higher-end electric cars. The filter can theoretically remove 99.97% of dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and any airborne particles with a size of 0.3 microns, micrometer, and it's adapted into an efficient HVAC system in order not to affect too negatively the range of its vehicles. When announcing that Tesla is working on a software update to make the HVAC system quieter in the new Model S, CEO Elon Musk was asked on Twitter about Tesla making a home HVAC system. "Oh man, home HVAC that is super energy efficient, quiet and purifies the air would be great. We developed it for the car, but it can be scaled up for home use." It's something that the CEO has been talking about for years and strongly hinted that Tesla was working on it at some point, but it now sounds like he is still pondering the idea. Musk then went on his own little tweet storm about Tesla's air purification system. He claimed that Tesla's system is literally 10x better than any other car and even considers advertising the feature. Most people have no idea just how good the Tesla air purification system is. Literally 10x better than any other car. Maybe we should advertise informationally just so people know stuff like this exists. This would be significant since Musk has previously stated that he doesn't like advertising and Tesla famously doesn't buy any advertising spots. Although, in this case, he specifies to advertise informationally, and it's not clear what form that would take. Wouldn't it be funny if Tesla's first ad was not about the insane performance of its vehicles, how efficient they are, or the crazy high-tech features inside of them, like autopilot, but instead about its HVAC system? I think he might be overestimating how much people care about that. Also, while you can tweet about it being literally 10x better than any other car, if that statement is in an ad, you better have strong evidence to back this up or you might find yourself in trouble with the FTC. As for the Tesla home HVAC system, it's certainly a product that would make sense in Tesla's lineup since HVAC systems are big energy consumers and an efficient solution could be complementary to Tesla's existing home energy products. In previous comments, Elon almost made it sound like it was already in the works at Tesla, but more recent comments, including this one, make it sound like it hasn't been green-lighted yet. Let me know your opinion on the German environmental backlash. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, why not subscribe? This way you support the channel. Turning on bell notifications let you know when we upload so you never miss a video.